Adventure travel, extreme sports and activities. Greetings, fellow wanderers. Welcome back to Wanderlust Voyager, the channel that ignites the spirit of exploration. Today, we're diving headfirst into the world of heart-pounding excitement and adrenaline-fueled escapades as we explore extreme sports and activities that redefine the meaning of adventure travel. I'm your guide through the exhilarating landscapes that push the boundaries of thrill-seeking. So, buckle up and get ready to embark on a journey where the extraordinary meets the edge of adventure, right here on Wanderlust Voyager. Embarking on the path of adventure travel takes us beyond the ordinary, into a realm where adrenaline surges and boundaries are pushed to the limit. In this exploration of extreme sports and activities, we dive headfirst into the heart-pounding experiences that redefine the meaning of thrill and leave an indelible mark on those who dare to seek the extraordinary. 1. Skydiving. Defying gravity with a leap of faith. As the plane climbs to dizzying heights, the anticipation builds, and then, in a moment of sheer exhilaration, the doors open. Skydiving, the epitome of adrenaline-fueled adventure, allows thrill-seekers to freefall through the sky, experiencing the rush of wind and the ultimate sense of freedom. Whether over picturesque landscapes or bustling cities, the leap of faith from thousands of feet above is an unforgettable journey into the skies. 2. Whitewater rafting. Conquering rapids and taming rivers. For those drawn to the untamed power of nature, whitewater rafting offers an adrenaline-charged journey down rushing rivers and heart-pounding rapids. Navigating through the twists and turns, rafters become one with the water, forging a connection with the raw forces of the environment. From the turbulent waters of the Grand Canyon to the untamed rapids of the Zambezi River, whitewater rafting is a thrilling dance with the elemental forces of nature. 3. Rock climbing. Scaling new heights, defying gravity. Rock climbing transcends mere physical activity. It is a vertical dance of strength, skill, and mental fortitude. Scaling towering cliffs and challenging rock faces, climbers are rewarded with breathtaking panoramic views and a profound sense of accomplishment. From the iconic granite walls of Yosemite to the limestone formations of Kalymnos, rock climbing is an adventure that invites individuals to conquer their fears while being surrounded by the awe-inspiring beauty of the natural world. 4. Base jumping. Adrenaline-packed leap from heights. For those seeking the purest form of airborne thrill, base jumping stands at the pinnacle of extreme sports. Leap from cliffs, bridges, or skyscrapers with only a parachute to break the fall, experiencing an intense rush of speed and adrenaline. This daring sport requires meticulous planning, precise execution, and a fearless spirit. Base jumping is a testament to the human desire to push the boundaries of possibility, defying both gravity and conventional notions of adventure. 5. Ice climbing. Scaling frozen cascades and glacial walls. In the world of extreme adventure, ice climbing offers a unique and chilling challenge. Ascending frozen waterfalls and glacial walls with ice axes and crampons, climbers enter a frozen realm where each step requires skill and precision. From the ice falls of Norway to the cascading ice formations of the Canadian Rockies, ice climbing is a fusion of physical prowess and mental focus, providing an exhilarating way to explore the world's frozen wonders. 6. Mountain biking. Conquering trails and descending slopes. Venturing beyond traditional cycling, mountain biking is an adrenaline-infused pursuit that takes riders off the beaten path and into the rugged terrain of mountains and forests. From steep descents to challenging ascents, mountain bikers navigate trails that demand skill, endurance, and an unwavering sense of adventure. The rush of speeding down a mountainside trail surrounded by nature's beauty is an experience that captivates the senses and leaves riders craving more. 7. Cave diving. Exploring subterranean wonders. For those who seek adventure beneath the Earth's surface, cave diving offers a unique and mysterious exploration of underwater caverns and submerged passages. Descending into the darkness, divers navigate through crystal-clear waters, unveiling hidden chambers adorned with stunning geological formations. From the cenotes of Mexico to the underwater caves of the Bahamas, cave diving is an extraordinary blend of underwater exploration and spelunking that reveals the Earth's hidden wonders. 8. Paragliding. Soaring with the wind, touching the sky. Paragliding is a pursuit that allows adventurers to experience the joy of flight, soaring with the wind and taking in panoramic views from lofty heights. Gliding gracefully through the air, paragliders feel a sense of freedom that transcends the ordinary. From the Swiss Alps to the Himalayan foothills, paragliding provides an unmatched perspective of landscapes while delivering an adrenaline rush for those who crave the thrill of unpowered flight. 9. Surfing. Riding the crest of ocean waves. Embracing the dynamic energy of the ocean, surfing is an exhilarating water sport that has become synonymous with the spirit of adventure. Riding the crests of waves requires skill, balance, and a deep connection with the ever-changing rhythm of the sea. From the iconic waves of Hawaii's North Shore to the pristine breaks of Australia's Gold Coast, surfing invites enthusiasts to commune with the power of the ocean while mastering the art of wave riding. 10. Volcano boarding. Descending fiery slopes. In the realm of unconventional adventure sports, volcano boarding stands out as a daring and unique pursuit. Descending the slopes of an active volcano on a specialized board, participants navigate the ash-covered terrain at breakneck speeds. Cerro Negro in Nicaragua is a renowned destination for this extreme sport, where thrill seekers experience the unusual combination of volcanic landscapes and high-speed descents, creating memories that are both exhilarating and surreal. As we bring our exploration of extreme sports and activities to a close, it's clear that the realm of adventure travel is as diverse as the landscapes it encompasses. From the heights of the sky to the depths of the sea, the pursuit of adrenaline-fueled experiences offers a spectrum of thrills for those who dare to venture beyond the ordinary. As the ever-beating heart of adventure continues to draw us forward, may each leap, climb, and ride be a reminder that the world is a vast playground waiting to be explored, and the spirit of adventure knows no bounds. Until the next journey, keep seeking the extraordinary and embracing the pulse of adventure. As our expedition through extreme sports and activities comes to a close, I hope you've enjoyed the adrenaline rush and the breathtaking landscapes that redefine the concept of adventure travel. If you found inspiration in the heart-pounding pursuits we've explored today, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Wanderlust Voyager for more thrilling journeys around the globe. Until our next adventure, keep the wanderlust alive, stay adventurous, and may your travels be filled with moments that take your breath away. Safe travels, fellow voyagers.